As part of the Arts of Celebration Experiences 2024, Sask Arts is proud to honor the following organizations, festivals, and collectives. Sponsored by Sask Culture with funds from Sask Lotteries. The quotes included in this video were provided by the organizations. They may be inspiring quotes, their slogans, mandates, and missions, descriptions of their goals and approach of their work, or what others have said about the company. 25th Street Theater Festival. I regard the theater as the most immediate way in which a human being can share with another the sense of what it is to be a human being. Oscar Wilde. Art Gallery of Regina, Art Gallery. Art enables us to understand the world in new ways, to discover shared experiences of this time and place, and to empathize. Sandy Moore. Be Kind Rewind Productions, Theater Company. You have a deeper, wiser, loving self that you can always ask for help. Annette Funicello. Black History Month Music Festival by the Black Professionals and Entrepreneurs of Saskatchewan. Music Festival. Always remember, you have within you the strength, the patience, and the passion to reach for the stars to change the world. Harriet Tubman. Chokecherry Studios, youth-founded arts organization. The Hood deserves better. Conseil culturel fransaskois, Francophone Cultural Council. Les Arts, c'est de l'or. Free Flow Dance Theater, Dance Company. We endeavor to advance dance as an accessible art form that can be appreciated, experienced, and enjoyed by everyone. Moosomin Visual Arts Center, Arts Center. Our mission is to create an inclusive, safe environment where everyone is welcome and encouraged to explore, share, and learn about arts. Regina Bell Ringers, nonprofit organization. The bells are a gift for the citizens of Regina and are to be used for all cultures. Francis N. Dark. Saskatchewan Book Awards. Awards. Celebrating excellence in writing and publishing in Saskatchewan. Sask Printmakers, Printmakers Organization. Sask Printmakers is committed to bringing artists, educators, students, and a wider audience together. Spud Publishing Inc., Publishing Company. By creatives, for creatives. Weyburn Art Gallery, Art Gallery. Community, friendship, art. Stirred together, they make a powerful magic. Terry Wildling.